Hey guys, so I have here a Ford Ranger Wildtrak 2.0 next generation. Since the car released in 2023, it's come out with in Vietnam market and some of Australia and some other country come with Euro 5 emission standard. So today I can disable the DPF system. I would say maybe I'm the first one in this world to be able to do that. So this is the ECU of the new generation. So it's Continental SID 213 EVO, which has no remapping solution at the moment. But I found a way to patch the software so that it can disable the DPF system. So you can run on the DPF delete pipe and full exhaust system with really nice sounds, and can get rid of all the DPF regeneration process. You can get rid of all the error when you're running the full exhaust system, and the sound is really nice, like on my car. And also I can put on the on and off exhaust system with the switch here. Pretty quiet now, and can hear the exhaust, really nice. So I've done a lot of research and experiments on my car. After 28 months of research, I can finally find out the solution for it. Yeah, everything is working good now. I tested on my car for like more than 1,000 kilometers already, and in my previous video for the DPF, I can only like trick the system, so we can run like 300 to 500 kilometers, and then we have to reset the sensor, and we have to clear the DTC code on the way, which is not really comfortable for the user. And you know, lots of users don't know how to use the apps or the computer to reset. So finally the solution is here. I can put full exhaust system without any problem on Ranger Wildtrak Euro 5 right now. So for the other versions of Ford next generations, like the Ranger XLS, single turbo, Ford Everest, I'm still doing lots of research on it, but hopefully the solution will come out soon. Okay, this is it. Thank you for watching. If you have any inquiries, please don't hesitate to contact me at the contact below. I tapped in this video.